everyone, it's Casper and I'm back with Teen Beauty Bible. So the weather is getting really dry and I can just feel the winter around the corner. Whenever the weather gets cold, you know what that means. Dry skin and flaky skin. Especially if you have dry skin like I do, hydrating will be the biggest challenge for you. We have many requests from our teens to make a video about moisturizing and hydrating the skin. So that's what we have prepared today. We have asked the community, what do you want to learn most about moisturizing? And a lot of you guys asked many different questions about moisturizing. So that is why we have prepared the top 10 mistakes you are making with moisturizing. So take notes to keep your skin hydrated.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Would you introduce yourself to our subscribers?
Hi, my name is Eunso Park and I'm 17, living in Seoul. My face is extremely dry. Nowadays, Korea is getting cold and dry, so my face is going more dry.
Okay, so would you share us your skincare routine?
After cleansing, I use toner and I use cream. It's simple.
It's very simple.
It's very simple.
So, when your skin gets really dry, can you share us a tip?
When my face is so dry, I use wash-off mask. I use sheet mask.
So, what are the mistakes we are making about moisturizing? Let's start with number 1, cleansing mistakes. Good skin and hydrated skin starts from cleansing. If you want to keep your skin hydrated, you should have a good cleansing routine. It's easy to think that cleansing is less important than the actual skincare. However, with the wrong cleansing method and product, you might actually lose a lot of moisture in this process. Make sure to choose a cleanser that won't make your skin feel dry and still retain the moisture you need. For this, we have to focus on the ingredients in the cleanser. We actually have a video on Teen Beauty Bible on cleansing, so please go check that out if you're curious. With a good cleanser, don't rub harshly to get rid of makeup and dirt, but rather rub gently with the tip of your fingers. Also, once you're done in the shower, don't rub your skin harshly with a towel. Fold your towel gently and tap on your face to remove the excess water. Skin can get irritated and dry faster if you rub harshly. And since we don't want to lose moisture on the way to the vanity to our steps to skincare, a good way to retain moisture is to spray a mist on your face right after the shower. Second mistake is skipping patch tests for moisturizer. So like you make tests while buying colored makeup products, you also need to do patch tests for moisturizers. Test out the texture or the feeling of the product on your neck first to see how it wears on your skin. If you have sensitive skin, this is a must and a must and a must. A moisturizer is a product you use even more than makeup products, so make sure to do a test before you purchase it. 3. Moisturizer for your skin type. Depending on your skin condition, your skin type, and the ingredients, the moisturizer you need might be different. For example, if you have oily skin but you're dehydrated within, it'd be good to use a gel type moisturizer. This will help sink deep into your skin without your skin surface feeling oily and greasy. We actually have a series on our editorial recommending products from essences to moisturizers varying on skin types. So check that out in the description box below. 4. Oil is the answer to moisturizing. A lot of you guys reach out to oil whenever your skin feels dry. Oil might seem like the way to hydrate your skin, but be careful before using it. Moisturizers contain humectant ingredients which draws water molecules to your skin. However, unlike moisturizers, oils do not do this, so rather than penetrating, it actually just hydrates the surface of the skin. So here's the tip. If you want to use an oil, use it after the moisturizer step. After applying a thin layer of moisturizer, add a few drops of oil to the palm of your hands, rub gently to warm up, and gently pat on your skin to sink in. Moisturizing on dry skin. Sometimes you think it's good to immediately moisturize your skin when your skin feels dry. But it's best to moisturize your skin when your skin is still damp. Damp skin best absorbs the moisture and locks it in for a longer amount of time. There's a reason why we recommend you apply toner before applying anything. Toners can not only balance your pH level, but also preps your skin ready for your next step. Add the first layer of hydration with your toner, and then the essence, and then the moisturizer for deeper and better moisturizing care. 6. Wrong layering. We have talked about this multiple times, so many of you might already know. But some of you still ask us questions about how and which order you should apply your products. Always remember to go from the lightest to the thickest consistency of products. So normally the steps will go from a toner, essence, and a sheet mask to moisturizer. If you keep it this way, you'll be able to provide moisturization in multiple layers of your skin. 7. Not using moisturizer with SPF in the morning. UV rays is the shortcut to skin aging and also makes your skin more dry. Especially if you have acne or troubled skin, the sun will damage and irritate your skin, making your skin lose the function of drawing moisture into the skin. So please, once you're done with the cream step, add the SPF onto your skin, everyone. And rather than using sunscreens that are too dry and hard to work with, use a hydrating sunscreen. Exfoliating instead of moisturizing. So when your skin gets dry, you get a lot of flakiness and dead skin around your face, right? A lot of you feel like it's better to exfoliate and scrub and rub and get rid of all the flakiness. But your skin might actually just be asking for moisture. If you exfoliate when your skin is too dry, this can actually disturb the barrier and cause inflammation on the skin. If your skin is flaky, it's usually due to lack of hydration. So let's make sure to hydrate even deeper and deeper when your skin feels flaky. Number 9. Rubbing too hard. So no matter how busy you are, if your skin feels dry, make sure not to rub and irritate your skin. When you're applying toner with your cotton pad, make sure not to rub harshly but rather pat and dab on your face. Don't rub like this all over your face, but just tap and pat in. Even when you're applying serum and moisturizer on your face, try not to rub on your face like this, but rather tap and dab and pat in. Use your fourth finger, which is the most gentle finger on your hands, and go in rolling motions when absorbing products. This applies for cleansing too, guys. Don't rub. Leaving your skin dry while you're asleep. So we spend 6 to 7 hours a day, hopefully, sleeping. Sometimes we fall asleep right after our skincare routine, sometimes we don't. Whatever the case is, your skin is exposed to 6 to 7 hours of sleep. If you want to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated throughout your time of sleep, let's take extra deep care into hydrating. Try using a night cream or a sleeping mask so that your skin can retain all the moisture during your good night's sleep.
What is the most interesting tip for you today?
Applying oil after cream was very interesting.
So, are there any other skincare tips that you want to learn more about?
I use scrub when my skin is flaky. I want to know how to do it gently.
So thank you guys for watching this episode of Teen Beauty Bible. Today we discussed the 10 things you might be doing wrong with moisturizing. As always, if you have video requests, please leave them down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, you're beautiful just as you are. 안녕.